Yeah, finally, it is done. This is Niger Interiors. Niger Interiors. A 3D wallpaper, a 3D panel that we just finished at French Colony Estate. You can see how it came out to be. When I wanted to start, I took a video of how the wall looks like. And I told you that I'll be back again to show you when we are done. Now we are done. You can see a 3D panel at French Colony Estate from a good client. That's it. Thanks for believing in us. Like I said before, this is Niger Interiors. You can get us on www.nigerinterior.com. You'll see more of our job there. And believe in me, anytime you call on us, we always deliver. Thanks.